Do you often find yourself reflecting on all the different games you've played over the years? If you try and think off the top of your head about the best video games, only a few will come to mind. If you stop and remember all the great games, you feel nostalgic about old or new, you'll find there's a lot more than you first thought. We've made the monumental effort of reducing that almighty list down to a short, sweet sum, and we're here to tell you all about them, so stay a while and check out these interesting facts about your best gaming moments. 1. Gears of War 2 was featured in AMC's The Walking Dead. 2. The creators of PUBG tried to sue the makers of Fortnite. 3. Counter-Strike was initially a custom mod you could play in Half-Life. 4. XCOM. UFO defense was nearly cancelled twice. 5. FIFA 11 was the first FIFA game to let you play as the goalkeeper. 6. The Colossian Shadow of the Colossus doesn't actually have names. 7. Assassin's Creed was initially meant to be a spin-off of Prince of Persia. 8. Snoop Dogg created an exclusive track for Need for Speed Underground 2. 9. The same guy behind Dota created League of Legends. 10. Mass Effect was initially called Science Fiction X. 11. There are more than 17 million different usable weapons in Borderlands 2. 12. The Sims was originally meant to be an architecture simulator. 13. Pac-Man was nearly sold in the US as Puck-Man. 14. The first Battlefield game was created by 14 people. 15. Carrie Fisher, as in the one and only Princess Leia, voiced parts of Dishonored. 16. Hideo Kojima used Lego bricks to help his team build Metal Gear Solid. 17. Age of Empires 2 was also released for PlayStation 2. 18. Deus Ex may have predicted the destruction of the Twin Towers. 19. Metroid Samus Aran was originally meant to be a man. 20. Doom's working title was Attack of the Attackers. 21. Dota 2's lead developer is only known by the pseudonym IceFrog. 22. Super Mario World is Shigeru Miyamoto's favorite Mario game. 23. Many of the characters in Undertale are named after fonts. 24. Among Us was originally called Space Mafia. 25. A remaster of GoldenEye 007 was meant to be released in 2008. 26. The Dark Souls developers completely trolled the game's players. 27. There's a secret Star Wars reference hidden in Final Fantasy VI. 28. Monster Hunter, World Capcom's single best-selling game. 29. Tom Clancy's Splinter Cell, Chaos Theory was banned in South Korea. 30. Plants vs. Zombies was meant to be called Lawn of the Dead. 31. Multiple gamers have been sued for cheating in Fortnite Battle Royale. 32. The Tetris theme song is actually a popular 19s folk song. 33. Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare was the first Call of Duty to feature kill streaks. 34. Metal Gear Solid 3 Snake Eater is full of David Bowie references. 35. Disco Elysium, the final cut is banned in Australia. 36. Dragon Age Origins has more than 900,000 words of dialogue. 37. The first edition of Minecraft was made in just 6 days. 38. Every accessible building in Fable 2 can be bought. 39. The number 16 is everywhere in No Man's Sky. 40. The world record score in Doodle Jump is over 20 million. If you've managed to watch through this entire list and are not itching all over to jump back into at least 10 of these games, then you should probably seek some kind of help. Many of these games were the absolute bee's knees back in the day and have consistently ranked as some of the best games ever since. All I can tell you is that I, for one, am ready to play some games. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.